How do you negotiate a non-Philippine rate considering you're based here in the Philippines? So, I like this question. So, sasagutin natin yun. Ako kasi, it started when they reached out to me through LinkedIn eh. And they were looking for a Microsoft Dynamics developer na mag-i-implement sa Philippines. And although they are London-based, so they're asking for my salary in USD. So, dahil ako, hindi ko naman alam kung magkano ba talagang kinikita ng developer sa US para hingin nila yung USD na rate ko. So, what I did was I searched magkano ba talaga yung kinikita ng mga nasa US. So, nasinerch ko yun. So, I gave them that average na nakita ko sa Google. So, yun yung binigay kong rate sa kanila. Now, good thing naman is binigay naman nila yung rate na yun. And that's why sinasabi ko nga na you have to be very confident, especially if you know your skill set and if you know kung gaano, kung ano ba yung kaya mong gawin. And good thing naman is hindi sila nagbabase kung kung saan ka nakatira or kung alam nila yung kung magkano ba yung cost of living sa country na to. No, they don't base it there. Binabase nila yun, I think, sa kung ano yung kaya mong i-bring in sa company. And that's why when I implemented the system in Australia, they were giving me the Australian rate. No? And it got me thinking na I don't have to go there anymore na pala just to get that salary that I want. Kasi kaya naman palang kuhain or kitain habang nasa Philippines ka. Yun nga lang, of course, you're going to work for other companies na nasa ibang bansa. But currently kasi sa Philippines, no, in a Philippine setting, totoo naman yun na mababa pa talaga yung sahod ng mga IT people sa atin. Although mataas na rin, but not to the point na kasing taas ng mga nasa US. Now, I think Filipinos are really world-class naman kasi maraming magaling na Filipino when it comes to programming, developing. Kaya nga sila kumukuha din siguro ng mga developers sa Philippines kasi maraming magagaling sa atin. And I think by this era, hindi na natin kailangan pumunta ng ibang bansa kasi may remote working naman. Of course, that only works for remote working. Pero, ayun nga, kasi kaya naman na pala kunin sa Pilipinas or habang nasa Pilipinas ka is yung rate mo is kapantay na ng mga nasa ibang bansa din.